And because they know.
My ex-boyfriend in school.
Guys, do you want to see swastika? I just wanted to share a dumb thing which I did today. I completely forgot that I have a job right now and I'm supposed to log in at 9 o'clock. But I slept till 10 and then my sister just told me that it's 10 o'clock. And I kind of panicked. I'm like, oh fuck. This is very common with me. I keep forgetting that I have important stuffs to do. I need to improve. Tullu really got mad at me when I told her that. She's like, are you dumb? These are your initial days. You're supposed to be login on time. But thank God I've not got my official login ID till now. I should get if I fuck up so much. I'm not going to fuck up. I want those free coffees forever. I mean, not forever, but yeah. So I need to like pay attention. I don't know why I want to share this with you guys. But yo, that's the dumb thing. I did and I should not be proud of it. And I'm supposed to go and attend a meeting right now. Oh my God, that is getting all serious, mature, acting tough. I know, okay? I know that I said I don't want to do a job, a corporate thing. But the one company which I'm working with is very chill. You all know by the perks. It's very friendly and it's not like a typical 9 to 5 desk job. That's the reason I'm quite enjoying it. And you know I'm a people's person. So the job is also people's person's job. Y'all are now wondering why did they even hire me, because I just said people's person's job. On my off days, what do? Go and meet my friends. And look. I don't look homeless, but the t-shirt is too loose. It's still cute. Yeah, I have to show that I'm obsessed with myself, like always. Swastika and me are very judgmental. We judge boys by their look. No shame in that.
So I'm
Personality is next.
I have 5 things to judge. I'm sorry, but
Is it 5 versus 1 looks or looks versus 5? What will you select? That he has all those 5 things, but he doesn't have the look.
But
Here he has.
things mein looks.
But you are.
Telling you looks, personality, behavior, language, money. Sorry, bro. It's the harsh reality.
Yeah, you know that's the reason you are single.
I know that.
And because they know.
My ex-boyfriend in school.
Guys, do you want to see swastika? You like how your life is not private.
I do not like it.
Okay, guys, bye.
I
I
am
need to.
not Kim Kardashian or Kendall Jenner.
Oh, I watched with the accent again. I wanted to share this so much. I was talking to her and then her. No, I don't. I need Rhythm. Please edit this out, so in case they watch the vlogs.
Yeah,
and
so you
then-
don't shoot it now.
Why do you lie down everywhere?
I don't know,
What is it with you with everyone's household? As you see a bed, you have to lie down.
You know, I've never seen a bed in my life.
You don't make this all emotional DID shit. Okay? I've never seen a bed in my life.
DID
You
shit.
shall make it. Tang, I'll play the music.
I want to gift my mom a sari by this vlog. My colleagues are not actually like my colleagues, they're same age, so we guys met. Yeah, I made them travel I made them travel extremely south. Yeah, that is why people genuinely hate townies. Means I am a townie, I live town side. So for us to travel, we just hate traveling because everything is so nearby to us. So I made my colleagues, they're not like colleagues, my friends only you can say, and how long that takes to be a friend. Sanika was actually telling me if there's ever extrovert scale, it should be 0 to the. So then that is how people can measure. I'm actually nervous because Sid is going to meet me. I don't want him to push him because if you push him, my camera would go back. Yeah, I don't like to get out of I don't get my work to be done after post 7 because I feel my entire day I was just working. So I rushed here to see the sunset, but the colors apparently. Oh fuck! I knew. That's the reason, guys. I was sitting behind because I knew Sid would come and I would ruin my camera. Fuck. Why did I keep my camera on the table when it's not safe actually?
Why do you do anything in your life that you do?
Imagine me making my own burrito.
Not possible.
I am really bad when it comes to ordering food. I always have to.
bad at everything and anything in this world which takes up your mind. Okay? So anything that takes up your mind that you have to think, you're not good at it.
That's the reason I'm so good at vlogging. It's just switch on your camera and start shooting. Do you think I'll ace it when I get famous?
You've already aced it. We're waiting for you to get famous.
I love my friends. They have what faith in me.
No, zero faith in you. We have faith in ourselves that we will take care of you.
That
We don't
makes
have any faith in
sense.
you.
That makes sense. I just wanted to apologize from the bottom of my heart that I insulted Nescafe. I'm so sorry. I realized that I cannot say fuck you Nescafe when I've been drinking the same coffee for the past 10 years. Now I've started to explore more coffee and how the coffee is actually brewed. Then I cannot blame myself actually for saying fuck Nes. Actually what happened the day I made a black coffee with Nescafe instant, the Nescafe really goes good. Make some noise when I'm vlogging. Make some noise for this, see boys. Why did I decide to make vlogs? Also I need to fix my hair. There's something wrong. Third day, like for example if I'm washing my hair on Monday, Tuesday it look good, Wednesday they look shit and they start. Bye guys, love you all, bye. Guys, my phone, my S8 phone has stopped working. The display has gone and Rhythm, he's standing right in front of me and he's pumping me to buy an iPhone 11 today itself. I don't want to be an impulsive buyer, but we are not going to buy an iPhone today itself.
iPhone S or iPhone 11?
We're not. Stop. Actually, wait, I remember that I dropped my phone thrice this week. Like legit on a brick. And it's my fault and not my phone's fault. But Rhythm is excited and he's pumping me up to just buy the phone real. Tullu is gonna kill us. Today morning, Tullu told us to not take any impulsive decisions. You guys need to save up money. When are we going to start listening to Tullu?
Never.
When?
Never!
Tullu might kill us while watching this vlog, but good thing she'll get to know after 2-3 days. Not now. We are going to buy an iPhone for me right now.
Seriously?
Yes.
But there's no option, nothing.
My phone is not working!
I'm so excited.
I never thought first I would get so excited, but yeah, I have to buy an iPhone now.
I'm very excited. XR 11.
We're still deciding what to do. We just don't know, man, what is happening. The next footage will be me buying an iPhone for sure. It's official. It's happening. It's happening.
Come on, do it.
Oh my god.
Hello, boy.
Wow, the apple is here. Oh my God, I'm way too excited. I cannot do. I'm only going to eat the apple. I mean. Can I open this?
You're best too.
Oh. And people say don't do impulsive buys.
Well, she's the CEO of Impulsive Buy.
I am. This morning my phone got fucked
Turn
up
it
and
on,
now
turn
I
it
have a new.
Okay.
How to turn it? I don't know.
Jaldi.
Do you have an iPhone? Yeah, you do have an iPhone. Do you have an iPhone? Do I have an iPhone? It's like a first iPhone this year. All of us got our first iPhones. We don't belong to the Android gang. Oh my god, I don't belong to the Android gang anymore. Thank you so much again, both of y'all, for pumping me to buy the
Now
iPhone.
you owe me a gift.
Remember that frame I gave you?
I know what I want from you now.
The fact that I have an iPhone now, yeah, it's been my dream since the iPhone 5S. You know, we used to be like, oh my god, people have an iPhone. Now I belong to the community. But I'm quite excited to show it to Karishma because in this quarantine, she has also realized that iPhone really has a good camera and she wants an iPhone. Yeah, so I want to show her. It was so sudden that I myself cannot digest. I was telling my friend that I got an iPhone. She's like, you are pranking me because I didn't write that in all caps. I wasn't shouting. So Sarnika couldn't believe me that I actually got an iPhone. You all have to wait, I guess. My friends will have to wait. I can either do it, upload the vlog first. Fuck the vlog. The life's changed. Wait. Karishma, I did some shopping yesterday.
What did you get?
It's official! I got an iPhone.
Is it yours?
Yeah, my asset got fucked up at the morning. So now,
No, I also want it.
Karishma, now we're official. You sound like a baby right now who wants it. But
I wanted to get it before you, but then you
What?
got it.
I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved. I got lucid dreams. I make movie scenes. This not new to me. Rick gon' kill, I scream. Ego my enemy. My heat got entropy. just chemistry.